In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance account using your mobile device. Whether you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies or simply want to explore what Binance has to offer, setting up your account is the essential first step. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Binance app. Head over to your phone's App Store. This will be the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or the App Store if you're on iOS. In the search bar, type Binance, and once you find the official app, go ahead and download and install it. Once the app is installed on your phone, open it up. Right on the home screen, you should easily spot a Sign Up or Register button. Tap on it. You might notice that the app offers both Lite and Pro modes. Don't worry too much about these options just yet, as both will allow you the opportunity to create your personal account. Next, you'll need to decide how you would like to register. Binance gives you multiple sign-up options, including using your email address, phone number, or even accounts like Apple or Google in some cases. After selecting your preferred method, you'll also need to choose your country or region. If you opt for an email or phone number, just type it in. Remember to keep an eye out for checkboxes or links to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Make sure you read them, and if you agree, go ahead and accept. After entering your contact info, you'll receive a verification code. Binance takes your security seriously, so they'll send a 6-digit code to the email address or phone number you provided. Enter the code to confirm your contact details. Now, it's time to set up a password. Binance requires that your password be strong. Usually, this means a minimum of 8 characters, with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers to keep it secure. Think of a password that's easy for you to remember, but tough for others to guess. With your account created, you'll want to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, or Know Your Customer. This step unlocks all of Binance's features, such as trading and withdrawals. You'll typically need to submit some identification, confirm your address, and possibly complete a face verification task using the app. Finally, let's add an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to enhance the safety of your account. You can do this through Google Authenticator or SMS. Additionally, ensure that your email is secure and choose a strong, unique password. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to explore the Binance platform and everything it has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy trading.